Volume. Because we can collect data using computers, we can collect a lot more of it. To make it useful, we need to store it, and this storing process has resulted in a huge amount of data. Nowadays, many companies store more than 100 terabytes of data, where 1 terabyte is like 1024 gigabytes. Velocity. When we collect and analyze data in real time, right away, it brings some unique challenges. We have to figure out how to store the data and how quickly we can look at it to make decisions. For example, the New York Stock Exchange gathers 1 terabyte of data in just one trading session. It's crucial to have current data and rules that work in real time for making decisions about stock portfolios. Variety. Not only do companies collect a lot of data quickly now, but the types of data are also more complicated and valuable. Text data comes from checking what people are saying about a company's stuff on social media, like Twitter. Audio data comes from customer service calls, where you might hear, "This call may be monitored for quality control." Video data from store cameras help understand how people shop. It's harder to analyze this kind of information because we need to change the data into numbers that we can study. Veracity. Veracity is about how certain we can be about the data. Sometimes data can have lots of missing pieces, making it hard to analyze reliably. Problems like using different units of measure and the information not being reliable due to biases also make dealing with the data more complicated.